So we have another rough morning today. Talon was up at 5 again. So he's down for a nap, and I'm getting some homemade chicken noodle soup ready to take to a wonderful lady in our ward who just had a baby. And then Grayson and I are going to go start working out in the garden again. So we'll see you guys a little bit later if anything interesting.
So we decided to wait till after lunch to start in the backyard garden. So before lunch we're going to work on getting this pile of deadness from the corner of this place. Where are we at?
Red store.
Where are we at right now?
I'm the red store.
What is it called? Is it called A&W?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah? What are we eating?
Food.
Kind of food.
Fries.
Fries and chicken. And some cheese curds.
And
We get some cool toys. Let's take a gander. What are those?
yeah,
Are
bears.
they spinners?
Yes, they are.
Awesome. Let's see where Talon. Let's take a look. Talon. Oh, hello, friend.
Not.
You're going to push the button. K. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Where are we at?
Tasty.
At Macy's. What are we getting?
Milk, Rolos, and cheese, and pizza, and flowers, and walnuts,
And Powerade.
and Powerade.
Oh, and Talon is eating Grayson's chicken. Yum. Vroom vroom, Talon.
Now look at me. Look at me, guys.
We are the crazies at the grocery store on this Friday afternoon. Crazy. Hey, who are we taking dinner to? Who are we going to take dinner to?
How's house?
Hallie's house. Why are we taking them dinner?
Cause he has a baby brother.
Because she got a new baby brother. All right. What are you having for dinner? What is that?
Scary.
Ramen noodles?
Yes.
Delicious. Here's our chicken noodle that we're taking over to the Neville's house. Let's take a look here. Oh, it looks pretty tasty. Homemade noodles. And some chicken and carrots, celery, and peas. So, yum yum.
Okay, so end of day report today is that it was a rough day. Waking up at 5 o'clock, I'm just not used to it. At 6:30 I am used to, 5 I'm not. Talon was super cranky all day. But we got our dinner to the people who we were giving it to, and I got the garden about 90% of the way planted, and it looks like Casey's finishing up getting the truck ready. He's taken off all the decals and everything, and he's about done with that. So we had a pretty productive day overall for the amount of crankiness that we had around the household. But I think tomorrow's going to be a good day, and happy Memorial Weekend, everyone. Remember those who served and died for us so that our country could be free.